Hey, it's Trey Cross and I'm back. And I just want to congratulate you for making it this far. Now we are working on chords. Chords is really important, and I'm sure you've been really excited to get to this point. And I really hope that you've already mastered your notes and mastered your major scales. And so now it's time to go ahead and start playing chords. So what I wanted to do real quick was just break down chords for you in a nutshell. So there's many different types of chords. There are a ton of different chords, but the way I'm going to teach you, how to build your own chords and create your own chords. So that way you'll never really have to ask anybody what a particular chord is, because you already have the formula for it. All right. So so the first type of chord that really comes to mind are Bi-Chords, and that's just two finger chords. But we're not gonna worry about those. We're just gonna go straight to the Triads, and the Triads is simply a 3-note chord. Okay, so that could be like that instead of that. Okay, so we can go straight to Triads, which is 3-note chords, and then we'll just go from there. And so chords, different chords sound different, and different chords are used for different times. For different chords are appropriate for different situations. Okay, whether the song you're playing, whether the moment you're playing, whatever it is. Okay, so I'm going to equip you and make sure that you have everything that you need. Okay, so we're going to master these chords, and look, I want you to take your time. I want you to be patient, and look, I'm going to make sure that you got everything you need. You're going to have all the formulas, and this is not hard. It's not difficult. It just takes time. Okay, so I want you to just make sure that you just stay focused and diligent. And so the next video, I'm going to go ahead and break down the different types of chords.